Hi, you're back on the Happy Tools channel. Today I will be your guide. The way you can do that is by posting video reels to the Insta platform fully automated wall. For example, if you have a degree of 50 to 100 Instagram accounts. Instead, you will have to log in into each account to post your videos on Instagram and more content for the video reels manually. I'll show you a tool. Help. You can posting the video reels up on the Instar platform completely automatically. Let's say you have 50 or 100 accounts. The software will help you manage it. Get all the accounts, and it will help you. It could be automated. The video reels on top of your nicks into completely. And as you can see, this is the delivery, the face of the software. As you can see, I have 12 PCS Instagram accounts. Next, you choose. Let yourself into the function of viral marketing. In viral marketing, you can choose post video reels, numbers of threads running, how many accounts are running at the same time. For example, the stronger your computer is, then you can completely enter 15 to 20 Instagram accounts to go post video reels automatically. I have 12 Instar accounts. I will be 12. The account, Instagram let it go automatically go posting videos. Next, please select send me to the folder that you save the video for. Software to help you post video reels automatically. Go to the select video folder, then you can access your own, the folder where you save the video. For example, I would choose this dance video folder, then I click select folder to save it. As you can see, I have about 50 videos. Next, you want to automatically add content to the video. Then you can choose to be the content, how to make it fit. With this one of these videos, software with me automatically help you can choose the file to save content. Select this content. After you guys have selected the videos, even after choosing, then you click save to save. After choosing, please turn it off. As you can see, there are 50 of these videos. Next, you can choose the size for the video. For example, I chose 16 to 9. This will depend on your needs, or you can leave the original size alone. Here, you can also tag, add your friends here. Hey, each one, username, yourself be a line is finished. Next, after posting it, then you can is to update more locations. For example, you're in the United States, right? I will enter this America. The software with me will help you automatically add positions. After posting this, then you can completely erase the ones you need to delete the videos. I have successfully posted it. Then you can check it here. The software here helps you automatically delete the videos after you have just posted it. When the software is finished, the software will automatically animated help. You can be automatic like video, or you can leave a comment automatically according to the script. After adding after that you finish the parameters to post the reels automatically. Then you can choose, let me in all the accounts that you guys have. I would like to post this. I will choose 12 accounts. When I finish choosing, I will press start. The software with me, it's that you can be automated. Upload the video reels. It's on the Instagram platform completely automatically. Watch the software with you. What you can do is automatically post the video reels. How to get on Instagram automatically. The software has also started running.